Hello, this is Lesson 5, Kites and Trapezoids, located in Chapter 3. This uh, lesson requires 2 class hours. Kite and trapezoid properties and applying the math with the properties require a class hour each. The central focus is students are exploring the final 2 quadrilaterals of the unit by analyzing properties and mathematical procedures. The content standard is no precise definitions of angles, circle, perpendicular line, parallel line, and a line segment. The class-wide learning objectives are students will analyze kite and trapezoid properties, and students will support their mathematical skills by applying kite and trapezoid properties. All right. Uh, the focus learning objective is students will use class videos to maintain remote class engagement. And for this one, the additional resource is math worksheets for kids. Uh, for this lesson, we uh, use the template from here, and they provide many awesome templates and worksheets for all ages. They say for kids, but I found some templates that were suitable for this unit for trapezoids and kites. And this was a 10th grade high school class. All right. So the first requirement for instructional strategies is to have the students read or watch the instructional video, and they can do so uh, by clicking on the link in Google Classroom, and it does line up. Just lines right up and goes right into the directions for the week of April 20th to April 24th. After they do so, they are going to open the file Notes 1, Kites are quadrilaterals. And in this file, they should complete the note sheet called Notes 1 Kite. And they will have a video, uh, video 1 Kite, and they can watch it and fill out their notes while watching this video, as well as they will have to go to a trapezoid file and fill out the notes trapezoid or notes to trapezoid while watching video to trapezoid, and that also is available, and they do review trapezoids and isosceles trapezoids. And I accidentally hit the wrong button, so we started back at the beginning, and let's go to 5 and see. That's why we have those convenient navigation tools. All right, so they can submit both of those notes, Notes 1 and Notes 2, for participation grade. And then they're going to move on to their practice sheet, which is practice kites and trapezoids. And as well with those, they do have a video on kite math and trapezoid math, which is the practice, is which is reviewing the math. And with this lesson, we did, or I did take the problems, the practice problems, right from the practice sheet, or the tutorial problems right from the practice sheet, just to motivate the students to complete these assignments, or they could try the assignment first and then see if it matched the the tutorial video. And also, we also provided them with answers this time, and they could go through. It looks like we provided with the evens, and they can double check to make sure they got the same answers if they'd rather do that than asking us first if they're on the right page, accomplishing the task that we're asking. And so notes 1, well, let's take a look at it. Notes 1 and notes 2. This is notes 1, the kite, and then they follow along. And this is notes 2, and they follow along and fill out these charts for both of these notes, and then they could submit them for a grade, or not for a grade, for participation. Uh, and so those can be informal assessments, or they are informal assessments, as well as the practice, which does seem a bit tedious. There is a whole bunch of problems. However, once they get the concepts, they should flow pretty fluidly. So yeah, there's about 4 pages. Again, they're not demanded to do it. Uh, but I mean, for the participation, a lot of students do want to try to get as much credit as they can. Um, However, for actual per progress checks or a formal assessment, there is the assignment kites and trips progression report. And here they have 6 problems with various approaches, like are they solving for angles, are they solving diagonals or sides, and there is uh, three different of each shape. So there's 3 trapezoids and 3 kites. And this is the progress check, and this is the grade that we base their pass fail for the unit. All right, that covers everything for lesson 5, kites and trapezoids. Hopefully, it was informative and useful. Thank you very much. Bye bye.